So this is the exact location of the lot. This is 2 parcels of lot here in Corona del Mar. This is in phase 2. So we are going to build the structure here. This lot is bigger compared to those to the neighborhoods because this is 2 parcels. Let me go inside so that you can see. So that's the perimeter of the lot going there. It's fully fenced, solid concrete already. And this will be the entrance of the house over here, and the jacuzzi and the parking lot will be over there, and this will be the main structure of the house here. So we are on a pre-selling status. So you have an option. We are giving you an option if you want to proceed the house with swimming pool or not. So this is the exact. So later on I will go to the community swimming pool, which is front of the ocean. So that's the perimeter going there, and this will be the frontage of your house. So the house will be turned over with gate already, with fence. Ito isang laro, di ako nagbibiro, may puso rin ko, kahit matapat ko. That's the tennis court, and this is the basketball court, and this is the amenity area. And let's try to check the short line. I will not just show the shoreline because there are many garbages because of the typhoon, of the recent typhoon, and I think it's not good to put in the video because many garbage in the shoreline after the typhoon. So I'll just show this one, the area here. That's the tennis court, and that's the basketball court, and this is the open area and the swimming pool, but I will not show the swimming pool because unit owners are also swimming there. It's privacy. Maybe I will just take a sneak peek where people cannot see in this video. That's the area for the swimming pool there. Yeah, that's the swimming pool. That's the swimming pool. I will not go there because people are swimming. Let's drive around the neighborhoods of the Corona del Mar. Corona del Mar is a big subdivision here in Talisay with beachfront communal amenities, and that's the amenities. Beachfront, the tennis court, a basketball court, and the open area. That's the clubhouse, and those are the houses, the neighborhoods of Corona del Mar. And this is the kanang clubhouse, and that's the open garden, kids play area, barbecue station over there. So these are the neighborhoods here. During the recent typhoon, walay damage ang Corona del Mar. Wala sila na igo sa bagyo, sa baha. These are the houses here in Corona del Mar. Oh, mga nice houses. Let's try to check sa dito sa una. This is in a phase 1. Okay, naman siya phase 2 and phase 3. Let's try here. That's the kids play area. Let's go up. The beach. That's the clubhouse. Nice houses. Pasensya kay merag katol jud akong ilong, sige kog atsing abog man siguro ni, abog, init og ulan nagsagol mo na, gawas ibaw, bugnaw, init, ulan, abog, nagsagol. Ang gawas kay pislango. So wala yun ni gibaha diri ang Corona del Mar. Ang Talisay gibaha baya. sa typhoon, recent typhoon, pero ang Corona del Mar kay wala gyud ni siya na unsa dali. Wala jud na adog na saka ang tubig pa. Tarong mga drainage diri good. Even pag earthquake wala sad na unsa dali. So katong ano dool sa clubhouse mo to mga phase 1 to siya. Then dire okay pa doon siya phase 2. Ang phase 3 natin sa gawas. Kada dia is pa doon na siya phase 2. Ano dia? Dia masulod. We are now approaching the subdivision main gate, the entrance and the exit of the subdivision of the Corona del Mar. The houses. This is developed by Philinvest. That's the signature houses of the Philinvest. Even in their other subdivision, you can see with the same design of those houses. Like that. Kana nga mga houses. Dito sa Aldea del Sol, the same. Because naman ko kay option, you can buy house and lot before, then or you can buy lot only. So if you are going to buy lot only lang, so you will be the one to build your structure. But there are requirements for the structure build-up. This is the main entrance of the Corona del Mar. That's the main gate. Sa una bahaon na dire pero karon dili na kay gipatasan man. That's the main entrance. So that's it. That's our video for the Corona del Mar.